Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a severe problem. Our Hilux is down. My 84 Toyota pickup is in my garage slash carport. Why? Well, unfortunately, I took it out to the mountains, and when I just opened the hood, I discovered something, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh, what is that? What is that? Is that a, I don't know what that is. Well, guys, I opened my hood of my 84 Toyota pickup, and I discovered I had a valve cover leak. A very slight valve cover leak. It's not even severe, it's just sweating. So I got online and I was figuring out how much the valve cover gaskets were and all that. I got kind of carried away and I ordered one of these little suckers. So that is the update on the 84 Toyota pickup. It is being turbocharged. Now, I'm gonna record step by step as best as I can on the process that I do, and all the parts and things that I purchased. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. So if you guys want to turbocharge your 2RZ swap Hilux or your Tacoma, I'll leave all the parts that I'm using and the link in the description down below. So I've always wanted to boost or turbocharge something, and I figured, why not now? I have this 84 Toyota pickup that I swapped a 2RZ out of a 96 Toyota Tacoma engine into, and I love it. There's absolutely nothing that I don't like about the 2RZ. It's got a lot of torque, it's got a lot of power compared to the 22R that I had in it. And it's got OBD2 reader. I can put my OBD2 scanner if it is, you know, misfiring or something that's going on with it, which luckily nothing has gone bad with it. I put, I want to say around like 8,000 miles in it or more since the swap. This is like the second year or first, I'm not sure. But I've had a while with the swap, and I've driven it multiple times, you know, 3-4 hours without nonstop. And I recently took it to the mountains and did a little bit of wheeling out there. If you guys want to see that, it's on my latest or previous video, but go check that out. It was pretty cool. It was in North Carolina, Tennessee borderline, and we had a great time, and the truck did great. But like I was mentioning, I've always wanted to boost something, but I've never had the funds or time to do so. And I was always hesitant. Is my biggest thing is I was always hesitant to lose my reliability of a naturally aspirated, you know, stock engine. But I say, why not? I mean, if I've done my little bit of research, and I'm doing this the most economic, friendly way of doing it. Everything that I've purchased is through Amazon. And I know, guys, I know it's China built stuff, but you know, I've done a little bit of research, and you know, we'll see where it goes. I mean, what's the worst that can happen, right? It's Chinese manifold, Chinese turbo. What's the worst that can happen? But if it works out, guys, I will let you know, and if it doesn't, I will let you know. So if you guys are broke like me, don't have $4,000 for a turbo and like $700 for a wastegate and another $300 for a blow-off valve and whatnot, you know, if you don't have that type of money like I don't, well, this is your other option. So I think KO and LCE Engineering sell a kit like this, and it's like, I want to say like $2,000 or $1,500, and I definitely don't have that invested. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description below of all the parts that I utilize if you guys want to do this route. And like I said, I'm going to be documenting as best as I can on the whatever works and whatever doesn't work. So let's go ahead and get to it. I already went and this is just mocking it up real quick. I will have I took a little bit of footage of me taking things apart, so you guys enjoy. Like I said, I'm just mocking it up right now. I got my AM fittings and hose hooked up for the drain tube. I ordered another oil feed line, and yeah, let me just document everything, and I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video. And it's eventually it's mainly gonna be like a series, so a part 1, part 2 kind of deal. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, mainly subscribe so y'all can stay up to date on the videos that I'll be posting. And thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video, or maybe in a couple seconds when I start editing and putting the videos together. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, let's see how many bolts break. Hopefully none, because I really don't feel like re-threading or re-drilling the cylinder head. Oh yeah, butter. So it's pretty much dark outside right now. I got back from work, so this is an after work hours project. Yep, they're coming out pretty smooth, but I'm gonna celebrate too early. All right, so let's speed it up. Okay guys, I don't know if you noticed on that time lapse, but boy did I struggle. This Toyota silicone is no joke. Thing is better than JB welding this thing together. But finally managed to get it out. Well guys, that pretty much sums up the video. Not even really gonna call it part 1 because I haven't gotten to the good stuff yet. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys follow up on the videos and subscribe, and I'll be getting into the good stuff soon. Thank you for watching.